Hello everyone, this is Mousumi and you are watching MOUSUMI'S Artistry. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my new video. So first of all, I have taken here these two plastic bottle cutouts. For this time I have decided to make some Rajasthani kind of patterns on it. So I decided to make a Rajasthani female face and a male face. And yes, as usual, I have used here Fabrica acrylic paints. First of all, I have applied gesso on it and then I have started coloring. Gesso is something that creates a beautiful texture, or I can say a beautiful surface for painting. So right now I am here doing the Rajasthani male face. So here the basic colors are filled properly and now it's time for some detailing. Let's do it. Detailing is something that gives life to the painting. I personally think that. And Rajasthani figures are like so much beautiful. Their abundance of detailing, they are so colorful, and this kind of Rajasthani figures are a beautiful subject to paint. So I have tried on it, and maybe later I will try on canvases also. It, and I'm going to use it in many purposes like planters or holders. So short yet beautiful. If you liked it, do let me know in the comment section below, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.